This is a procedure for changing the drive shaft center support in a vehicle without having to remove the drive shaft from the vehicle. This procedure will show how you can replace the support in the vehicle itself, saving time for the installation and not having the drive shaft to be shipped to the site of the vehicle, but rather a clampable piece that goes on to the existing drive shaft. The failure of the drive shaft is shown here, that the drive shaft support is broken. We're going to remove it and replace it with a new part that we have. This is a typical failure of the drive shaft support. We're going to remove the clamp. We're going to cut the clamp out of the drive shaft to make space for the new clampable device to be mounted in. We have now removed the clamp. We're about to clean the existing bearing on the drive shaft. We're going to clean the rubber off of it. We have just cleaned the surface of the bearing and prepared the bearing for the mounting of the clamp, the support, which will fasten itself around the bearing. It's important to repack the center support bearing with good quality grease. This is the procedure and necessary tools for repacking the center support bearing. The seals are pried off, carefully pried off. Grease is pushed into the bearing to prolong the life of the bearing. The more grease you get in, the better. Therefore, no humidity or water can penetrate the bearing. This can be done while a drive shaft is still installed in the vehicle. Then, the seals are repressed back into the bearing. It is a very simple procedure. You can do it with your fingers. You have a repacked bearing. Feels great. This is the procedure for now mounting the new support onto the existing drive shaft and bearing. The new support is now clamped on to the existing bearing. As you can see, we're ready to now put the base of it and we'll be done. We are complete. As you can see, we have a new support in, and it only took us 20 minutes to do the exchange of the support to the existing drive shaft. This can be performed in other vehicles, not just on this type of vehicle. It's a universal part that can be used in many applications.